Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to access Samsung folder by clicking on it. Then tap on voice recorder app. If you don't have it over here, you need to access Play Store. Click on the search bar and type in voice recorder. Then download this app from Samsung developer and open it. Now select while using the app or only this time and choose allow in the pop-ups. Following that, click on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this orange icon over here, and if you wish to edit and save it, click on the square button. Now name it however you wish to and delete it right away by choosing cancel and choose save over here. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it over here from this screen here, choosing delete all at the bottom and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!